my strength, with all of my hope is in you. My life is in you, God, my strength is in you, God, my hope is in you, God, in you, is in you, in you, is in you. Welcome speech by Safa. A very good morning to all. Respected Principal Sister Arlene Mary, Sister Josina Mary, and my beloved teachers. First of all, I would like to give a warm welcome to all to celebrate this special day. As we all of you know, we all have gathered here to celebrate this special occasion to honor our respectful teachers as they play a vital role in students' day-to-day lives. So, we all express our heartfelt gratitude to teachers who not only taught us subjects but also lessons of life. So, once again, I give a heartfelt welcome to all my beloved teachers of their motivation, effort, hard work and service. Thank you. The Holy Bible by Aradhika. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and evil. Of the day. Teaching is a work of heart. One book, one pen and one teacher can change the whole world. Thank you. Good teacher know how to bring out the best in students. A teacher holds a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. They are Google in flesh and blood. അതിനുള്ള ഓർമ്മകളും നല്ല പാഠങ്ങളും സമ്മാനിച്ച എൻ്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ആശംസകൾ. ബുക്ക്, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. Recitation by Minha. അറിവിന്റെ തിരുനാളമധ്യാപക ഇരുളിൽ വെളിച്ചമായി തെളിഞ്ഞിടുന്ന അഴലിന്റെ പാതയിൽ വഴികാട്ടിയായി കൂടെ നടക്കുന്നതധ്യാപക അറിവെന്ന നിധി എൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലെന്നും കരുതി വയ്ക്കുന്നതിനധ്യാപക നന്മകൾ നിറകൊടമധ്യാപക സ്നേഹത്തിൻ നിറവിളങ്ങിടുന്ന വിജ്ഞാനമാകുന്ന അണയാത്ത ദീപമൻ മുൻപിൽ തെളിക്കുന്നതധ്യാപക എൻ ഗുരുനാഥരെ നിങ്ങളെന്നും മാറാത്ത പ്രഭയായി വിളങ്ങിടട്ടെ. അറിവിൻ കിരണങ്ങൾ തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ മറയാത്ത ശോഭയായി ജ്വലിച്ചിടട്ടെ. Speech by Principal Sister.
Good morning, teachers and my dear children. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, Teachers' Day. As we celebrate Teachers' Day today, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for all that you have done for your students. May your passion for teaching continue to inspire and nurture the minds of our children. This is the day we should thank our teachers for all they do for you. Our teachers are like guiding stars. They help us to learn new things every day, not just from books, but also about life. They teach us to be kind, honest, and hardworking. A teacher is like a gardener who takes care of young plants. Just like the gardener waters and protects the plants, our teachers nurture the minds and hearts of the students. They encourage them when they are sad and celebrate with them when they do well. So, my dear children, you should always have respect to your teachers and follow their advice. Teachers work hard and make sure their students to have a bright future. Today, let us all say a big thank you to our teachers for their love and dedication. Without them, we would not be who we are. Thank you, teachers, for your tireless efforts and commitment to excellence and character formation. Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day for all the wonderful teachers here.
Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Day. We love you, teacher, we praise you, teacher, we thank you, teacher, every day. We love you, teacher, we praise you, teacher, we thank you, teacher, every day. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Day. Thank you. DK by Arish and Arona.
Good morning, Arona. Today, 5th September, we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Do you know whose birthday we are celebrating Teachers' Day?
Dr. Radhakrishnan.
Yes, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and mother's name was Sarvepalli Sita. He was the first Vice President and second President of India. He completed his master's degree from Madras Christian College. He was the first Indian to hold the position of professor in Oxford University. Since 1962, his birthday, we are celebrating as Teachers' Day. In 1972, he awarded knighthood and Bharat Ratna. Now it's a time to recap what we have discussed. Arona, do you know whose birthday we are celebrating as Teachers' Day?
Dr. Radhakrishnan.
From where he completed his master's degree?
Madras Christian College.
Okay, I hope this knowledge is helpful for you. Thank you.
Hi students, I am Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. I was born in 5th September 1880 in Tamil Nadu. My birthday is celebrated in all over India as Teachers' Day. I am teacher and great philosopher. I was first Vice President and second President of India. I got Bharat Ratna in 1954. Thanksgiving message by Adadi.
Good morning to all. First of all, I wish happy Teachers' Day. To the world, you may just be a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. Dear respected sisters, teachers, and friends, today, as we celebrate Teachers' Day, let us wish our teachers love and gratitude. Our beloved teachers are lovable. They are our second mother, always trying and desiring for our betterment. They are filled with the talents of blessing, for teachers help us to grow in all spheres of life. No word can express my gratitude to you. I am really thankful to God for blessing me with teachers like you. Thank you all guiding us.
A very good morning and happy Teachers' Day to one and all. Today, as we celebrate the Teachers' Day, we respect our teachers, isn't it? Students, what is the specialty of today? Teachers' Day. Do you love your teachers? Do you respect? Okay, so in our Indian culture, we have a tradition that Guru-Shishya relation. So then students touch the feet of our teachers and get blessings. Now we show our gratitude and love to the teachers by respecting them with Guru Vandana. May I request, dear teachers, please come forward for the Guru Vandana.
വിളക്ക് പോലെ കത്തുന്ന മനസ്സുകളിൽ
അറിവിൻ്റെയും വിവേകത്തിൻ്റെയും ഒരു പ്രകാശം ചൊരിയുന്ന എല്ലാ അധ്യാപകർക്കും 1000 ആശംസകൾ. അന്ധകാരത്തെ വെളിച്ചമാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നതാണ് ദീപം. ദീപമെന്നറിയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ അധ്യാപകരാണ്. ആ ദീപമാകുന്ന അറിവ് എന്നും നമ്മളിലേക്ക് പ്രകാശിക്കട്ടെ.
അറിവിന്റെ ആദിവാസത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് തന്നെ എല്ലാ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട അധ്യാപകർക്കും 1000 ആശംസകൾ. ഗുരുവായൂർ നേരത്തെ വന്നിച്ച് അറിവിന്റെയും വിവേകത്തിന്റെയും നല്ല മൊഴികൾ നമുക്ക് സ്വന്തമാക്കാം.
കഴിഞ്ഞ ഏറ്റെടുത്ത കുറഞ്ഞ നാളുകൾ കാലം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ബാങ്കരേഖകളാൽ മാറി. കുട്ടികൾക്ക് സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ ചൂടുകൾ നൽകി വളർത്തിയ വഴികാട്ടികളായ എല്ലാ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട അധ്യാപകർക്കും 1000 ആശംസകൾ. മനോഹരമായ പുഷ്പങ്ങളൊന്നാണ് റോസാപ്പൂക്കൾ. മുള്ളുകളാൽ നിറഞ്ഞ റോസാച്ചെടിയുടെ പുഷ്പങ്ങൾ മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് സുഗന്ധം പഴുത്തുന്നത് പോലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് ജ്ഞാനത്തിന്റെ സുഗന്ധം നിറയ്ക്കട്ടെ.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.